Howdy YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, today I have a whole bunch of my Harbor Freight grinders that I have here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, and you probably can't tell from behind me, but I'm moving a bunch of stuff around in my garage, and hopefully I'll be doing a shop tour here pretty soon and you'll be able to see it all. But right now I'm doing some infrastructure, so I'm just trying to kind of get some stuff put away where I want them for now. I'm already realizing I'm living up to my name on my channel here. I just have too much junk, and anyway, I'm trying to put some of it away for now. I'm already realizing things are going to have to change down the road a little bit when I get a little further on some of my other projects, but I've had my garage shut down for too long now, and I need to get it back in working order so I can do some more work on some of my cars. I can already tell I'm looking in this video screen over here, so I apologize for that. I'm still getting used to this new camera, so I got to figure that out. Let's get to it. I'm just going to kind of do a quick video here and kind of probably pretty much fast forward through quite a bit of it. Just so you know what I'm working with here for right now, I have this right here, which is, it goes on chain link fence. It's a galvanized piece of metal that goes along the top of chain link fences, and it just holds them straight basically. And I have a bunch of this stuff, so I thought, that looks like it'll work. It's just a thin rod, not too big, but I think it'll work pretty well. And then I have what I'm calling spacers. I have no idea where I got them from, but you can make your own spacers. They're just some, I think they're aluminum, and I'm hoping they're going to be strong enough. And then I just have some screws, some fairly large screws. I may have to go bigger, but for right now I'm going to test this out and see what happens. If it works, we'll have a video. If it doesn't work, then it won't matter. So I got a punch here. I'm going to go ahead and punch these out first. I'm just eyeballing the center. And I have it marked where the studs are in my wall right here, so you have to do that first as well. Well, there you go. Such as it is, it's very quick to make. It's holding them all plenty sturdy. I didn't hit a stud in this one over here because it was too short, but it's still holding it up. These aren't that heavy, and it's working fine. I do need to figure out a different way to maybe do the cords, but after a while, I've had them hooked this way before in another thing I had, and after a while, once the cords kind of get their feel, so to speak, they start working better. Hanging them like that, I just had them stored a different way, so these cords, they're kind of stiff, so they aren't great for that. Some have guards, some don't. Yet again, do what you want to do as far as that's concerned. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.